Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we have some exciting updates to share with you. Let's go ahead and take a look over here. We've got some beautiful, beautiful red tomatoes poking through there, but that's not the star of the show today. We also have some more asparagus beans. Another one coming in there, but how about we take this with us? For some reason, the ants love these. They love to get all over where it connects to the plant. Maybe there's a high sugar content there, but they love hanging out right there. Look at this over here. We've got an asparagus bean that's coiling up like a big vegetable snake or something right here. I didn't even notice these ones. These ones are heavy, so I'm gonna take these with us too. Holy moly. Whoa. I feel like I should take this. This one's so big. This one too. So we have a friend.
Very nice.
Awesome. We did recently get a pepper dehydrator, compliments of the company I was working for. So we're gonna make some use of that today and grab some peppers. Peppers galore. Serrano pepper. Look at this baby one.
Aww, it's kind of cute.
There's also a jalapeno or two on here. That one's tiny. You don't grab peppers, tomatoes for a couple days. So many tomatoes, we don't know what to do with them. Oh my gosh, they're bursting.
Oh man.
Guess that means I gotta eat them. Oh. Right. Trying to keep my eye out for those asparagus beans too, because they do like to blend in. And I feel like I could just miss them easily. Oh my gosh. So many overripe tomatoes. This over here. We've got I forget what this is. Cayenne pepper. We have a cayenne pepper. And super red.
Whoa, look at
them.
them.
Super juicy looking tomatoes.
Holy moly.
So many. So many, I'll probably have to grab the rest off camera.
It'll be a really long video.
Exactly. Let's go check on our other man. He's hiding right here. Just tucked away in the foliage.
Do you see what I see?
Jimmy. Jimmy Nardello pepper here. Take that with us. We also have a poblano. Very small poblano, but still a poblano. As well as a giant Marconi. This one's like a medium-sized Marconi, but
whatever.
These are getting there, slowly but surely. And then a very petite Thai dragon. All getting dehydrated. Oh, those tomatillos look like they need some water.
That's right.
Some water. Alright, I guess I'll just continue grabbing tomatoes then. Temperature today is what, about 94, 95?
Mm,
Put it there. But the plants seem to be super happy.
highest is 93.
93.
It's 92 right now.
Close enough. Whoa, I didn't even know there was a pepper plant right here.
Really?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Oh. I don't know what this is, to be honest. But we'll take them. Super cool. Tucked away. We've got some secret peppers that I don't know what the variety is, but very cool. Very, very cool. I thought I saw a flash of red, so I figured I'd check it out and see what we
It
find.
was indeed something.
Should I try it?
No, it's what if it's a spicy one? You don't
It
have
probably is.
water. You don't have water or... Yeah.
I don't think so.
Oh, no?
I think these might be shishito peppers. Because they're not spicy.
Oh.
Probably shishito peppers.
We're good though.
I was wondering where those went. Haven't seen them all season. There they are. Oh no. That's
Got
not.
a very happy looking pepper. Maybe I'm grabbing these too late. Nice little bit of color. This is definitely there.
Let's see what we have for our tomatoes over here hiding amongst the brush. Wow. Take a look at that. Oh my. Whole lot of tomatoes. Big one right there. And more right here. Oh, kind of hard to see with the sun. Yeah. Should make some pretty short work of this, hopefully. But I'm getting consumed by the vegetation. Appreciate you guys joining us.